you want to double your money and take full control of your financial future without working harder or taking big risks? Stay till the end to learn smart salary management, expense control, and step-by-step saving strategies, plus a special giveaway waiting for you. Money is not magic. Money is simply a result of smart decisions, consistent effort, and understanding how value is created in the real world.
Most people work hard every day, but income stays low because their thinking and strategy never change.
Skills are the real currency of the modern world because skills can generate income again and again without limits. When you waste time, you are actually wasting money, opportunities, and future freedom without even realizing it. Depending on only one income source is dangerous because one problem can stop your entire money flow instantly. Multiple income streams create financial safety, reduce stress, and give you more control over your life. High income means nothing if expenses are uncontrolled because money disappears faster than it arrives. Smart people save money first and spend later because saving is a habit, not an amount. When income increases, lifestyle should not explode. Otherwise, financial pressure increases instead of peace. Small daily savings may look boring, but over time, they quietly create financial strength and confidence. A budget is not restriction. A budget is a plan that tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Smart spending means buying value, not emotions, because emotional spending destroys financial discipline. An emergency fund protects your peace of mind because problems are easier to solve when money pressure is low. Financial success does not come from one big action. It comes from small, smart actions repeated every day. Discipline is choosing long-term freedom over short-term pleasure, again and again. The more value you create for others, the more money naturally flows toward you. Learning new skills today prepares you for higher income opportunities tomorrow. Focus is powerful because scattered effort creates scattered income. Wealth grows slowly at first, but speed increases when patience and discipline work together. If you increase income and control expenses at the same time, financial freedom becomes unavoidable. People stay financially stuck not because they lack money, but because they never change. The moment you take full responsibility for your income, expenses, and decisions, your financial life slowly starts moving forward. Active income helps you survive today, but without planning and control, it cannot protect your future. Passive income grows slowly in the beginning, but over time it reduces pressure and gives you financial breathing space. A side hustle gives you extra income, new skills, and financial confidence without risking your main job. Online skills allow you to earn money globally without depending on location, office limits, or fixed working hours. You are paid for the value you create, not for the hours you work, which is why smart work always wins. Every real problem you solve for people increases your income potential and builds long-term trust. Income grows faster when you focus on improving skills and mindset instead of complaining about situations. Your daily money habits quietly decide your financial future more than your salary ever will. When you track expenses honestly, money stops disappearing and starts working in your favor. Knowing the difference between wants and needs is the foundation of smart spending and saving.
Uncontrolled credit card usage turns future income into present stress and financial pressure.
Positive cash flow keeps life stable, stress low, and opportunities within reach. Delaying pleasure today may feel hard, but it creates financial freedom tomorrow. The best investment you can ever make is in yourself, because skills never lose value. Short-term thinking creates stress, but long-term thinking builds wealth and peace. Clarity about money removes fear and replaces confusion with control. Small financial actions repeated daily always beat big actions done only sometimes. When income growth and expense control work together, financial success becomes predictable. Income is like baking a cake. If the ingredients are weak, no decoration can save the final result. Skills are like chocolate. The richer they are,
the more valuable and desirable your income becomes.
Cash flow is like ice cream. If you don't manage it fast, it melts away before you can enjoy it.
Uncontrolled spending is like eating too many sweets. Enjoyable now, but painful later. A budget is like a dessert plate. It limits portions, so you enjoy without regret. Savings are like a cookie jar. Small pieces added daily create happiness and security over time.
Debt is like a donut, sweet at first, but empty inside, and harmful if eaten too often.
Small income streams are like cupcakes, individually small, but powerful when collected together.
Multiple income streams are like ice cream flavors. More variety means less risk and more enjoyment. Passive income is like a slow-baked pastry. It takes time, but rewards patience.
Marketing is like candy wrapping. The better the presentation, the more attention it attracts. Poor financial decisions are like burning a dessert. One mistake can ruin the entire effort. A financial plan is like a recipe. Skip steps, and the result will never taste right.
Just like sugar needs control, expenses need limits to keep financial health strong. Consistency is like cheesecake. Smooth results come only when every step is done patiently.
Lifestyle should be like a dessert display. Attractive, but controlled, not excessive.
Emergency savings are like leftover dessert, comforting when unexpected hunger appears.
When you share dessert, joy increases. Just like money grows when you create value for others. Good desserts need time, and wealth also requires patience before full rewards appear.
Treat money like dessert. Enjoy it wisely, control portions, and plan for long-term satisfaction. Your financial life is like a long road. Small, smart turns decide whether you reach freedom or frustration. Money without a plan is like traveling without a map. Effort is high, but direction is missing.
Savings act like a bridge, helping you cross financial problems without panic or pressure. Income is the engine of your financial vehicle, but control decides how far it will go.
Cash flow is fuel. Without it, even the best income engine eventually stops. Skills are like tools. The more tools you have, the more problems you can solve and earn from. An emergency fund works like a shield, protecting your peace when life hits unexpectedly.
Financial discipline is a lock. It protects your income from waste, impulse, and regret. Time decides money growth. The earlier you act smart, the stronger the results become. Your biggest financial challenge is not the market. It is the person you see in the mirror.
Wealth is built like stairs, one step at a time, not by jumping and falling.
Investments are seeds. They grow silently before showing visible financial results.
Markets change like weather, but disciplined people stay prepared in every condition. Financial responsibility is like a backpack, heavy at first, but helpful for the journey. Opportunities give signals, not guarantees. Smart people act before signals disappear.
Strong saving habits build a financial foundation that does not shake during crises.
Smart spending is balance, not sacrifice. Control creates freedom.
Financial awareness turns confusion into clarity and fear into confidence.
Clear financial goals work like a compass, keeping you focused during distractions.
When income grows, expenses stay controlled, and mindset stays strong, financial freedom becomes reality.